it do? It's your boy the 392 Swervo 2 times, and I'm back with another video. You already know. Today I got two things for y'all. I don't know where I'm gonna start. Probably since I'm outside, I'm gonna start out here. But man, I got my brother from Iowa. You know, he came out here. My boy came out here from Iowa. I don't know if y'all remember from the first video. He got an Infiniti G35. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. That boy came a long way from that video, so we gonna show y'all in a minute. But my boy is dripped down right now. Y'all see him? Where the hey, you gotta shout yourself out.
Man, you know, AKILVQ_ on Instagram. That's all.
AKILVQ_. Yes, sir. But yeah, I told my boy to start a YouTube channel. I don't know what he on. I mean, I tried to tell you, bro.
School, bro.
School. I mean, bro, that's the perfect time. No, but if I was in school right now, I'd be doing like because everybody at school would know you and stuff, bro. All you gotta do is tell your homies to tell their homies, and then bam, you out there. Bro, what you mean? Like I can feel you on that, but bro, you make a video for 10, 15, 20 minutes, then you edit for, we gonna say 15 minutes for you. That's 30 minutes out of your day. You better do that before you go to sleep, my guy. Homework. Hey, homework first. Then you know you get edited and stuff. But we got two dirty 392s out here. My pops 392. My pops ain't drive his since what, Wednesday? Pops ain't drive his. Today is Saturday, so he ain't driven in 3 days. About he going fishing right now, so he ain't touching it today. That orange shit, no, even in the dirt. Oh, I see it. We ain't playing. Huh. I can still see the inside, but yeah, he old man, so he got that 20%. Still look dark though at nighttime. He didn't get the windshield tinted. Showed y'all that video. Then that thing looking aggressive. Like, this is probably the best thing I could have did right now, honestly. Like, my boy's still like a drag car.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that wicked bill. The wicked bill is something I'm gonna have to get a little used to, cause I'm used to seeing a Z01 add-on, but I didn't want the Z01 add-on. I wanted this one. This is not a Z01 add-on, but I get used to this one. I like it though. I just got to get used to it a little bit more. Then we got that real carbon fiber diffuser right here. Them tips getting put on Monday. I tried to make it today, but they closed at 3, so I just got in the house too. So, man, this thing filthy. I gotta get this thing washed. Definitely. I'm gonna get y'all. Hold on. No, I ain't gonna get y'all co-star yet. I'm gonna wait till we get around the whips. Yeah, that thing dirty. Well, I can't wait to do that light. I can't wait to light this thing up. That thing looks so good when it's lit up. What y'all think? That's scary. Then we got my boy. What's this? 03? 03 G35. It's an X.
No, it's just a G35.
Rear wheel drive. That thing looking like a beast. Oh yeah, y'all see him. He definitely modded, y'all. So don't get next to him thinking it's sweet. Yo, windshield tinted?
Nope.
But I'm gonna show y'all my favorite part of the car once I do the walk around. I ain't gonna show y'all the part yet because, and he did the wheels. 20s, sitting on 20s. The wheel. What the? Oh, that squirrel scared me. That thing sitting on 20s. That thing squatting though.
Yeah, the back more.
That thing squatting, bro. Them like, I noticed, bro. Like, you can't, like when you first had it, it's set all right, but now it's like, man, it's perfect.
Yeah, I don't like how it looks.
It ain't too big, it ain't too small, especially for you because you know I'm a big rim person. So, yeah. You gonna wrap it? You gonna leave it?
Told you I got something coming this summer.
Oh, you ain't gonna tell him? Okay. I think that's your perfect time to make a channel. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Might as well. Hey. I do say you should tint that joint.
I never.
Where the wing at? You ain't gonna put the wing on it either?
I got a wing.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, so y'all see he's still working with it. That thing like a wide body. That thing got some hips on it. What happened to the intake thing? Hold on. Yeah, you gotta pop that hood too. It's 3.7? 3.7? 3.5? Okay. This ain't a regular 3.5 though. And you gotta do that the lights too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get this joint tuned. This over with.
Yeah, that's something real.
Yeah, something like y'all see it. 3.5. Stop playing with my boy. Dang. For 03? No, period. Not even for 03. For, you know, for this car to be that old, this car look good. S. This car look good though. Like, ain't nothing wrong with it. Hey, for sale? Ah, man. Hey, turn the lights on though. This is my favorite part about the car, y'all. Camera getting blurry. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Ooh, at night, I have to show y'all at night, but at night, this thing look good. He said he was gonna do it. He did it.
You don't even know what's coming up when they come on at night.
Look at that. And like, it's crazy because when y'all look at this car, you might not think that it don't got nothing into it, but when I tell y'all, I know personally, my bro put a lot of money into this car. You put some bread into this car.
Yeah.
When he first got it, it needed some work. He got like, this car came a long way and he's still not done. So don't go in the comment section talking crazy because this joint's still getting worked on. So next time y'all see it, it's gonna be, it should be done. I'm hold it against you. It better be done. Yeah, that's 5% though. Can't see nothing inside of it. Alright. You gotta get, oh, you had that white up emblem too, didn't you?
Huh?
You had the white up emblem too, didn't you? The white up emblem in the middle?
No.
I thought you did.
No.
Oh, okay. Y'all see him though? That joint looking good. Hold on, I wanna show y'all. I wanna give y'all a cold start real quick. It's been a minute. Uh-oh. Hold on. Awake! Oh man, imagine if I straight piped it, bro. If I straight piped it, bro, this joint would have been screaming. That's just a mid-muffler do it, y'all. That's why I don't drive it. That's why I don't wake up at 5 in the morning to go to work to drive this, because I know it's too loud. Now, I respect my neighbors. I rock with all my neighbors cool over here. Like everybody know each other. We all cool over here. So yeah, man, this joint sounded good. It sound calm. It's breathing though. Yeah, we finna turn this thing off because y'all probably can't hear me. Yeah. Yeah, we finna turn this thing off. But this is not the end of the video. We finna go in the house and I'm gonna show y'all what came in the mail. I told y'all what I got, but I haven't showed y'all. So we finna do some unboxing. Let's see what we got. Hold on. You wanna hold the camera for me, my guy? Hold on. Gotta make sure. Hold on. Yeah, we good. Use my key.
You gonna turn the light on? Or?
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all, my bad. I didn't know where, the best lighting was. But we in the dining room right now. You'll see my killer right there. Dude, say what up. Say what up. Nah, man. But these right here are the lights. They came quick. I ordered them Tuesday or Wednesday. Today is Saturday. They came yesterday, so 2 days. Let's see what we got. I don't want to, cut a wire. Have to take these things back. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I'm gonna get these put in before I go to Memphis. I'm trying to, but where I got too much stuff going on, and I probably won't do it now. I might wait till I come back, or wait till it get warm outside. I don't know. What you think? You think I should wait till it get warm outside? I mean, honestly, ain't no point to do it because it's gonna be cold outside. Ain't nobody gonna be.
You gonna drive it in the winter?
Looking. No, not really. I'll probably, if it's like. No, I don't know. If it's nice outside.
I don't know. Lights is like the best thing. It bring out the car the most to me.
I don't know. It just all depends on, if I got some lit content for y'all, because I know y'all like to see lit content. I don't know why it's taking me forever to open this box. I'm losing the wrong key all the time. What they do? Alright. I guess it tell you how to work the app right here on these papers. Yeah. So let's see what we got. Okay. These, I believe, these look like the halos, not the halos, but the inside of the demon eye. So it go for the headlights. right here. These two. These are, I believe, are the actual halos, this like the C part. So I don't know because they bending a little bit. I don't know. What are these two? These not the snorkels. I know that. But I think these are for the halos. Let's see what else we got. Okay, I know definitely know these. I'm pretty sure y'all know what these is. These are the snorkels. So this definitely gonna bring out the car more too because it's gonna be right next to the headlight. So in a fog light. Wait, these not the fog lights. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know. But it's gonna play along with everything. It's gonna be all good because I'm all connect them off the same wiring. So I'm not gonna have the lights. One light light blue, one light dark blue. They all gonna be the same color. This is I believe the Bluetooth connection thing. Something simple. Not too much. Then all these wires. Yeah, I honestly don't know what all this is. But yeah, I believe that's everything. We got snorkels. Snorkels right here. Fog lights. I don't know, fog lights or the actual headlight. No, these are the fog lights and these are the actual demon eye. Cause I can tell it's just a small one. You see that? And then we got the halo. So that joint gonna be a light show. Just to start off. And then I'm obviously gonna do like everything, all the lighting and stuff. So just stay tuned, man, cause this gonna get lit. Like this whole summer. Finna get lit, especially with my boy the G35. We finna be down Lake Show, swerving, and man, it's just gonna be a lit summer, man. I hope y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all turn the notifications on, cause y'all never know with me. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe, and most of all, turn the notifications on so y'all won't miss a video. Join the Swervo Nation. You already know, man. We lit. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm out, man.
I close my eyes at night praying up to God. They ain't want me to win, so I have to beat the odds. I'm trying to duck the bullshit so I can stay alive. I'm from a region where